What's up, guys? More Medic One. It is the coldest day of the year, and we are going to do a cold start on the old beater Murray. So let's see how cold it is outside. 6 this morning. This is the coldest day of the year, like I said. So let's go ahead and see if that old test mule will start. Cup of coffee. What you doing, Gun? Did you go TT yet? Huh? We'll test mule out of the shop just for a couple days. Should be in the shop because it is nice and frosty, as you can tell. If this doesn't go well, I'm still going to post the video because I want to see if it's going to start. Go ahead and give it a choking. Ooh, that throttle cable is stuck. Let's try it. Oh, come on, starter solenoid. Don't fail me now. Nope. I ain't gonna do it. Dadgummit. Man, I wanted this thing to start for y'all. It's just too blasted cold outside. Hook the battery charger to it. Maybe if we warm this battery up just a little bit, it'll bust off and run. See, we're putting about 60 amps in that battery right now. 75. I've got it on engine start. We'll let it run through the cycle and see if it'll work. Uh-oh, a little better. That was only like 3 minutes. Let's let it cook for about 10 minutes and come back. Meanwhile, before I head off to work, let's do a cold start on the old work truck. Nice and froze over this morning. Ooh, clutch in. Like a champ. Defrost. Let's go check on that mower. That mower better start is all I can say. I know a lot of you guys are saying, well, the valves are out of adjustment. No, it's just too dadgum cold here in Texas. And my battery's dead. All right, let's give it a whirl. Come on, baby. Woo, yeah. Bit of surge to her, but she'll fall out. That's a pretty good battery charger. I've really enjoyed using this one. This one's from Walmart. It's the EverStart automatic battery charger, but this battery charger has been pretty good. Let's go ahead and chill it. It's one of the best things you can do during your winter storage, whether it be a lawnmower, weed eater, edger, riding lawnmower, is to just crank them up every now and then. Let them run until they get hot, shut them off, and just keep them out of the weather. This one just happened to be outside. Alrighty guys, that was fun, and it's time to go to work, and we'll see you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed this type of content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the Mower Medic 1. Y'all have a good day.